Oh, tempting, yes. The buffet is tempting. Oh yeah, and the gym is open 24 hours, so I can go work out whenever. OKADA, Manila.
Okay. Okay, now let's do the room tour again.
Again?
Yeah.
Oh, with the action camera? Sure.
You are my model.
I'm your model. A very good boy model.
Very sexy model.
I wonder how much room service costs here. Okay, here we go.
742.
Oh.
Oh my god, the smell. That smells good. So, let the tours begin.
Yeah, well, here's the bedroom with TV and seats, chairs, and then here we've got our the mini bar area, our walk-in closet, and they gave us a scale, and we have our private bar right here, fully stocked. Yep.
It's a walk-in
Yeah,
closet.
walk-in closet. Yeah. Walk-in closet. That takes you.
Yep,
Back
and the
over
main
to
door.
Main door. To the door, yep. We come through this way. Yep. Door. And this is the bathroom, which is huge. With a nice jacuzzi tub, 2 separate sinks. Yep. Huge mirror. So, yep. Shower, yep. Very nice, big, lovely shower. Yeah.
Yeah. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash. And
The
you have
heated
the
seating.
two. Yeah, the seating like a sauna.
Yep.
Okay, let's see the bathroom. Oh,
Yep. Lovely
toilet.
Here's the toilet. And if you go closer to it, it automatically opens up.
Woo! The toilet. Welcome you.
Yep.
Oh, what is that? Oh, nice. It's a remote.
Yeah, I think so.
And then remote here.
Yep.
For
For the toilet.
like- It's like a Japan.
Yeah, it's a Japanese toilet essentially. Yeah.
Yeah, Japanese.
Yeah.
Okay, that's so cool. Look at the chandelier.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
And yes, we got the king size.
This is the king suite. Yep.
King suite size room.
For only $150 US a night, that's a good deal.
150. Just
Well,
hold
there's
it.
nothing to see.
No, I just
Although
wanted
the
to.
curtain does automatically assist
Yes.
with opening. So as soon as you start opening it, it'll automatically open itself. So you bring it out and then
There you go.
now it does it by itself. Yeah.
Nice one. Yes. And that's our view. There's nothing to see. It's dark now.
Yeah.
And then if you grab it, put it back.
Okay, so it's 9,214 pesos a night.
My God.
Oh wow! Look at that. Provide us water and a
Bottle.
bottled water.
Yes. Oh, show the TV, the Mr. Bang.
I think that's only when you first come in, maybe, but let's see.
So this not free, of course.
So we gotta pay for that.
Yeah. Look at this. What's your name?
It's only for when you first, I think.
Oh, yeah.
Come here. Elegant, it is certainly. Oh, tempting, yes. The buffet is tempting. Oh yeah, and the gym is open 24 hours, so I can go work out whenever. OKADA,
Okay. Okay, I'll show you more tomorrow. For the OKADA.
Okay. Oh yeah, you dropped it off. Oh, you wanna go see the Pandora?
Yeah, we can.
Wanna do that now or later?
I don't think right now.
Right now? Okay.
This is a receipt. A lock. No dollar?
Huh?
No dollar? Go touch.
What?
Oh. Yes, happy Jollibee. Me. Like happy Jollibee.
A jolly bee. Such a jolly bee.
I got my new baby.
Pandora.
So we're going to the pool. We'll see how it looks like. Are you planning to
Swim? No.
Yeah, it's fine.
Maybe next time.
Mm-hmm.
No, there's definitely gonna be an probably next year.
You can do your picture.
See, I think the gonna exit out this way to the fountain. Oh yeah, I think those are doors outside.
I'm so sorry.
Me too.
It's amazing.
Yeah, those look like doors to the outside. Oh no.
Oh, what? It's a store. Love. Pandora.
Oh, I know that.
Wow. What's the entrance? Oh yeah.
Holy cow. Wow, this place is huge.
AC.
Right there, those AC towers.
Oh, pretty.
Barbecue chicken. Long hot pot. Did you see Sunny?
Yeah.
She replied to the photo of me, the beer and all the wine and beer at the buffet. So like, YOLO, live it out, bro.
Sorry.
This place is like everything Las Vegas used to be. Luxurious, affordable, hospitable. Now Vegas is overly expensive, hostile.
Oh, look at the bubbles.
Yeah, you see, it's closed off right there.
Oh.
So, yep.
Ooh,
So
what's
those-
in downstairs?
I think just the parking lot.
Parking?
Yeah, I see the arrows
Oh.
for cars. I think, yeah, just the parking.
The parking. Ooh.
7-Eleven. 7-Eleven right there. Let's see. It'll tell us right here what's down there. Underground. Fountain foyer, the fountain, Club Lafayette. Wait. Is that upper ground? Underground? What? Oh. Lower ground. Oh, just parking. Lovely. Parking downstairs. Michelin 10-seater. Wow, I have a 10-seat sushi eleven. Oh, well, we already have dinner reservations.
Oh, look a selfie here. Show the OKADA.
Oh, it's a creek. Let's read this.
So this is our last day here in the room. Actually, it's not last day, not full day, not the whole full day. We're leaving at 8 a.m. and now it's 6:49 a.m. Oh, we're going back. But yeah, we're definitely going back here. Yeah. Here. So I hope you enjoyed the videos. See you the next vlog. Bye.